I want to show you how you can make $1,000 every month selling books on Amazon. Trust me, people sell many things in Amazon. You can choose your niche. You might not choose this particular one I'm about to show you. You can choose the one that you prefer and sell it in Amazon KDP, and you are going to be earning $1,500 every month. You don't need to do anything. Amazon does everything for you. The only thing you have to do is to create an account, post your products, put your price, then Amazon does the printing and the shipping for you, and you get your royalty. So, and the amount of royalty you get is 70%. You get 70% of what you sold. Amazon gets 30% of the item sold. So let me show you. First of all, you go to amazon.com. Then you type children's coloring book. Look at this. Look at what people are earning, are selling every month. There's different types of coloring books here. You choose the one you prefer. This is bluey coloring book. This is animal. This is sea animals. Many types you can choose, and this is dinosaur. Just choose anyone you know that you prefer. And when you check how other people's coloring book are, then you come to Canva. As you can see reviews, what these people sells every month, and you're going to set your price lower. That is the secret. If you want to be selling, especially if you are new in Amazon, you have to put your price lower. Like this person price is $4.71, and this other person is $9, $5. So you can put your own $3 so that you can be making sales fast. With time, you can increase your price. But as you are new, the secret is make your price lower than your competitors. Yes, that is the secret. Now, when you are done with this place, then you go to, but you have to have an account here as well. Then you go to Canva. When you go to Canva, you click on Home. Then you type Children Coloring Book. Click on Canva AI. When you're on Canva homepage, click on Canva AI. So look at the one I have chosen. I made children's makeup coloring book. So seeing this makeup, you know that is for female kids, So you click on it, or you type whatever type you want. You can choose children coloring book for animals coloring book. You can choose any other thing you want, but I choose makeup coloring book. So each and every one of these pages, you download it. Once you download it, once the AI has created the pages for you, then you now go to your home and search for book covers. You search for book cover. You choose a category first, then you click on book cover. When you click on book cover, then you type children's coloring book. You type on children's coloring book, then you choose the design that you want. You can actually design it yourself, or the other alternative is to click on Canva AI. Then tell Canva AI to create a book cover. Create a book cover. Create a makeup. Let's see, because my niche is makeup book cover for children. So let's see what it's going to give us. Then, so let's give it some minutes getting the book covers ready. So this is it. This is my makeup children books cover. Did you see? Then I'm going to choose one of these. I'm going to choose one of these covers. Then you will now go to, once you choose any of your covers that you prefer, download it, and then you go to Amazon KDP. Once you go to Amazon KDP, I already have an account with them. So now you are going to create an account with your email or your phone number. Then you click on create new title or series. Then you see the instructions. Follow the instructions. You are going to input your book title, subtitle, your author name, and the book you are uploading. It's so easy peasy. Trust me, you are going to be earning $1,500 every month. Stick around, watch this video to the end, and I'm going to make a full tutorial on how to upload your books in your KDP accounts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share. Thank you.